Hello everyone, I am BK Glotra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel that is BK Glotra. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about will and would. Will and would are English auxiliary verbs. In order to be sure you are using them correctly, it's important to understand when to use will and when to use would. These verbs are frequently used in English and are a central part of English grammar. So listen it carefully and watch this video till end. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. When to use will? Will is used when you are talking about future. Will is used to form a verb in the simple future tense like will plus base form of verb. If you want to say मैं काम करूँगा, then you can say I will work. First use subject, then will, then first form of verb. Like I will work, he will work. In negative sentence, you can say I will not work. मैं काम नहीं करूँगा. Negative sentence form subject plus will, then first form of verb. Like first subject I will, then not, first form of verb work. I will not work. Next, if you want to ask something, if you want to ask someone क्या तुम काम करोगे, you can say will you work. In interrogative sentence form, first use will, then subject, then first form of verb. Like will you work. In negative interrogative sentence, you will add subject plus not, then verb. Like will you work. Will is used to express future or used with the idea of intention, determination or promise. Like I will go there. No one stop. Will stop me going there. Means मैं उधर जाऊंगा. I will go there. No one can stop me from going. We will sacrifice our lives for the country. Promise. We promise to sacrifice our lives for the country. So always remember, will is used to making future tense or the idea of intention, determination, promise. When you talk about determination, means ऐसा कहा जिसे करने के लिए अपना टाइम और एनर्जी स्पेंड करेंगे. लाइक आई विल डू एज यू से. दैट इज डिटर्मिनेशन. कि ऐसा कुछ करना जिसमें आप सारा टाइम एंड एनर्जी स्पेंड करेंगे. Will can also be used to form the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used when we talk about an action or an event going to at a particular time or over a particular period of in the future. Will is used to form future continuous tense. That is used when we are talking about an action or an event going to particular time. Or over a particular period in the future. Future continuous tense form will plus be plus present participle. If you want to make negative form, then putting not after will. The interrogative is formed by inverting the subject and will. Like interrogative, what will you be doing in the evening today? What will you be doing in the evening? Now let's look an example. In interrogative sentence, if you want to say क्या वो बात करेगा, you can say विल ही नॉट बी स्पीकिंग, क्या वो बात नहीं करेगा? विल ही नॉट बी स्पीकिंग। इन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, विल यू बी स्पीकिंग? Future, future tense can also be used to express an event that is expected to take place in the normal course. For example, my sister will be passing the MA examination next year. This means action that will be expected to take place in future in normal course. Like my sister will be passing the MA exam in the next year, or second example, some more guests will be arriving shortly. Some more guests arriving shortly, will be arriving shortly. Or we can use will to express an action that will be in progress at a given period of time in the future. For example, at 5:30 tomorrow he will be reading something. We can also use will to discuss immediate decision or actions, like somebody is ringing the bell, I will go and see. What will you drink? Well, I will have a cup of coffee. In these sentences, decision or actions are taken immediately. Like somebody is ringing the bell, immediately you will go and see. What will you drink? Immediate decision, I will have a cup of coffee. In you can use will in immediate decision or actions. Will is used to ask someone to do something for you, or you want to need to ask something about the future, then you will use. When we ask someone to do something for us, or when we need to ask something about the future, then will is used. Like, will you tell Jimmy that we expect for her lunch? क्या आप बता दोगे जिमी को कि हम उनसे लंच पे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं? Will is also used in type 1 conditional sentences. Like, you will pass exam if you study well. तुम पास हो जाओगे अगर तुम अच्छे से पढ़ाई करोगे. In these type of sentences, conditional sentences, we can use will. We use will in conditional sentences. Type number 1. Conditional type refers to a possible condition and its probable result. They are based in facts, or they are used to make statements about real world and about particular situations. Like, I am hungry. I am hungry. I will get something to eat. Here we use simple present tense in the if clause. Will, can, may plus infinite in the result clause. If I am hungry, I will get something to eat. Here we use simple present tense in the if clause. If clause, and will, can, may plus infinite in the result clause. That are conditional sentences. Now we are going to see some examples of will. First example of will. मैं कल तुम्हें कॉल करूँगा. अगर आप कहना चाहते हो कल मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूँगा, यू कैन से आई विल कॉल यू टुमारो. अगर आप मौसम की बात करना चाहते हो कि मैं सोचता हूँ कि आज बारिश होएगी, then you can say I will think it will rain today. Third example, I think I'll have soup. In fourth sentence, fourth example of will is I will look after your children for you if you like. To make promise, we use will. So here we make promise. To make promises, we use will. Like to make promise, we will use will. Like I'll look after your children for you if you like. In third sentence, will is used to make decisions. Here we make decisions, so we use will. I think I will have soup. Here we use contraction of will. I'll have soup. I think I'll have soup. When we speak English, we often use contraction form of will. I think I'll have soup. We use will to make predictions about weather. Like I will think it will rain today. Here we make prediction about rain. When we make prediction about weather or something else, we use will. I will think it will rain today. We use will to talk about future. Here we use will as we are talking about future. I will call you tomorrow. So will is used to talk about future. To make predictions. To make decisions. To make promises. Like I'll look after your children for you if you like. Now we are going to see about when to use would. First, first thing, would is the past tense form of will. The word would is the past tense form of verb. Like he hoped she would come. We use would when you're talking about past tense form of the word will. Like he hoped she would come. In cases where both will and would can be used, we can use would. As would is polite form, consider more polite to use would. Like, would you like some juice? Now we are going to look about differences will and would. Would is used with past tense, but will cannot. Would use with past tense, but will cannot. Would is used to refer a future event and may occur under some specific condition, while will used more generally refer to future events. Will is used to refer future events. Would used to refer future event. Would refer to a future event that may occur under specific condition. For example, you can see example number 1. I will skin you alive. मैं तुम्हारी खाल उधेड़ दूंगा. You can say I will skin you alive. अगर आप कहना चाहते हो किसी को कि मैं हर हालत मैं आपके साथ हूँ, देन यू कैन से. अगर आप कहना चाहते हैं किसी को मैं आपके साथ हर हालत में आपका साथ दूंगा, देन यू कैन से I will stand by you through thick and thin. Now let's look at some examples of would. He said that he would go. इसका मतलब है उसने कहा कि वह जाएगा. अगर आप किसी को कहना चाहते हैं क्या आप कृपया वहाँ जाएंगे, तो आप कह सकते हैं वुड यू गो देयर प्लीज. क्या आप कृपया वहाँ जाएंगे. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you.